Shark Rocket 0M corded ultralight vacuum. To clean hardwood, tile, and other bare floors, as well as small area rugs, simply move the power switch to the first setting, bare floors and area rugs. The brush roll will begin to spin slowly. To deep clean carpets, move the power switch to the second setting, high pile carpets. The brush roll will spin quickly.
With a detachable pod for a whole home cleaning power on hard floors, carpets, and above the floor areas. Lift-away technology allows you to remove the pod so that you can easily clean your home. To activate lift-away and detach the pod from the floor nozzle, simply press the lift-away button on the bottom side of the pod underneath the accessory holder. To clean above floor surfaces in lift-away mode, press the handle button to disconnect the handle from the wand. Next, attach the accessory of your choice to maximize cleaning. For extended reach, just press the wand button on the back of the pod to disconnect the wand. Next, attach an accessory to the wand to easily reach those hard-to-clean areas. With the Shark Rotator lift-away, cleaning your whole home just got easier.
Powered lift-away allows you to deep clean hard-to-reach areas while still delivering power to keep the dual brush roll spinning. Push the powered lift-away button. Remove the pod from the nozzle and wand. Push the wand release button and lift the wand out of the nozzle. Attach the desired accessory to clean above floor areas. Attach the wand back into the nozzle. Enjoy your Shark Apex DuoClean with 0M powered lift-away and all it has to offer.
Ultralight vacuums are versatile and can be used in different cleaning modes to clean everything from your bare floors and carpets to your staircase and countertops. To clean in upright mode, turn the vacuum on and select your desired floor type. Note that for the Shark Ultralight vacuum, there is no LED UI, just a power button and a slider switch to change floor settings. With a foot on the floor nozzle, tilt the handheld vacuum back to engage. You can easily switch between bare floor and carpet mode as desired. To clean with the hand vac, press the power button and you're ready to go. There is only one setting in this mode. You can also use these vacuums to clean areas of your home other than floors, including hard to reach areas like your ceiling or your baseboard. To do so, simply press down on the foot pedal on the nozzle and pull the wand up with the hand vac attached. Now with a precision tip, you can aim for those stubborn cobwebs, dusty fans, or get into those hard to reach areas behind your furniture. To activate the hand vac only, press the wand release latch at the top of the wand. You can use the handheld vacuum to clean your couch, tabletop, and even the inside of your car. With the precision tip, this serves as a built-in accessory for quick and easy cleaning. These vacuums also have a precision tip for precise pickup on counter surfaces, windowsills, or you can clean your couch with different accessories. I like to use the self-cleaning pet power brush on the couch to get a deep cleaning. Lastly, this is a cool trick for stair cleaning. Take the handheld vac and insert it into the nozzle. Now you have a mini vacuum to target narrow spaces and clean all the stairs in your house without lugging around a heavy vacuum. How cool is that?